What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Are you as sick and tired as I am of the same old, where you get pitched one offer after another where it tells you how to do Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank? You know, it's like, it feels like that's pretty much all anybody ever talks about in this industry. And, you know, if you want to make money online, there's so many other ways to make money online. They're so much easier than the Warrior Plus JVZoo kind of thing. And this particular thing, I am absolutely loving it. This is called Easy eCash 2.0. It's all about how to make money from an old standby. This was the first way I made money online. It's on eBay. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Easy eCash 2.0. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I work for well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Old New York bagels, they're a sad sight to see. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and infocards and then make money online niche. And why do I do such a thing in my ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart? This is enough. He does this all the time, every single day in and day out. He keeps going, yakety, the crap thing. Get a new line, Bart, seriously. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a part, I will give it to my part of credit. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. She is the sweetheart. You know, I can't get angry at her. She's a fellow New Yorker. How could I possibly get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Now, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are now looking at the sales page for Easy eCash 2.0. This is from my friend Art Flair, actually from Team Black Belt. There's a whole group of people. And basically what this thing is all about is making money on eBay. Now what they do is they've actually not only shown you how to find winning products to sell on eBay. Basically what this is what's called retail arbitrage, where basically you're buying from one site and selling on another site. You don't actually have to own anything. You don't have to have any inventory. You just set up an eBay site, start selling. And when you start selling, you start making money, and more money and more money and more money. And it keeps snowballing. I've seen people make tons of money using eBay. I mean, it's really, really insane how much money you can make. And you don't have to bother with a list. You don't have to bother with you know, SEO or any of these other things that you would usually have to do when you're doing Warrior Plus. It's very, very easy, very, very simple. And they actually have software that's included to help you automate the process. This is the members area. I want to tell you about my custom bonuses though, because I always have the best custom bonuses. In this case, well, there are too many to list. I have like 15 bonuses. You can see the list below this video in the description box. You'll see there's a whole bunch of different courses on things like Instagram and marketing and Facebook, all kinds of stuff. They're really, really cool stuff. A lot of it is exclusively just for me. You won't get that from anybody else. So you have to get it if you want to get those bonuses. There's like 15 of them, literally 15. They're listed all down below. I'm not going to go through every single one. You can take a look at the list down below. Get it from me because they're going to get the most ridiculous bonuses. Now here's the members area. So they have a very comprehensive members area showing you exactly how everything works. Okay, you download the software over here. The software is pretty easy to use as well. I'm not going to go through all the software right now, but it's just a basic tool. What it does is it will find stuff for you on AliExpress. You can go and turn around and sell over on eBay. And the idea behind it is basically just trying to load up the video showing you how to do it, but I guess my computer's working slowly today. Here it is. Anyhow, but basically what the software does is it just it allows you to search AliExpress for stuff that's selling cheap and that sells for much more money over on eBay. And the idea is basically to sell it on eBay, source it on AliExpress. You're just the middleman pocketing the difference, basically. It's a really, really simple thing to do. And again, I have seen a lot of people do this. I personally did this many, many years ago. This was the very first money I ever made online. I made on eBay Arbitrage. And today it still works, and it's all been automated, and it really is incredible. Also below this video, I'm going to put in a coupon code for $3 off of the front end product. So make sure you grab that coupon code so you can get $3 off. Let's see if I can give a tip and has a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed. I mean, look, obviously they rock. This one is really, really good. Okay, the price is very, very inexpensive. And it's just well worth picking this thing up, because this thing is going to be so much easier to do than trying to make money off of things like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, because there's so much less competition and there's so many more possibilities of things you can sell. You don't have to sell just the same course, the same things over and over and over again. You're selling all kinds of different stuff. That's really, really cool stuff. So go ahead and grab this one. This one's really good. You're going to love it.